My grandfather's belief that a personal God is always with you and never leaves your side is the bicameral mind. As Julian Jaynes describes it, in the bicameral period, there was a person and his God, always together. For weeks after surgery, I was restrained in a crib, fixed still via straps, virtually incapable of moving, to allow intravenous liquid to flow evenly. Hospital policy guidelines in the early 1950s were not child-centered as they are today, so parents were often advised against visiting an inpatient child. Jesus visited my cribside and spoke to me in lieu of my parents. Soon you'll sit up. The straps here will be removed. A playroom is just across the hall, he would say. This coping resource, the visitation of Jesus in my hospital room, may relate to the phenomenon of sensed presences during extreme and unusual environments, the research of John Geiger and Peter Sudfeld. In his book, The Third Man Factor, Geiger describes a fairly common experience that happens to people who confront life at its extremes, mountaineers and Arctic explorers who find themselves at the edge of death. They are joined by a sensed or hallucinated presence that is utterly compelling and vivid, such that food may be offered to the presence. Sudfeld was struck by the close participation of the active and informed, incorporeal presence who helped the near-death adventurer survive, guiding him out of the impossible.